The Artisan Pendulum Wall Clock series is a collection of premium, handcrafted timepieces that blend traditional woodworking heritage with modern, high-precision functionality, rather than relying on mass-produced plastics. These heirloom quality collections highlight the organic warmth, rich grain textures, and natural durability of lumber. This series is made up of 15 uniquely designed items and are modeled after classic shapes of bygone eras. Our clocks showcase detailed moldings, some with arched protective glass doors. They bring a cozy, nostalgic focus to your home or office spaces. Our wall clocks integrate industrial standard flexible brass or dark brushed metallic swinging pendulums with high torque, non-ticking quartz sweep movements for a distraction-free, silent operation. This integration produces precise and accurate readings over extended periods.